Damn, dude. Do you even hook? What tire are you on?
So right now I'm just running 305 because
like a street tire?
Yeah, I saw what the temps were doing tonight, and I was like, I'm not bringing out the fucking bead locks tonight because there was no way I was gonna get enough heat in them.
Oh, this is nice. A lot different where we're from.
St. Louis is a little bit better.
Really?
Yeah.
Dude, when I went out there, it sucked.
I don't know. St. Louis and Rolls is not good, but St. Louis for like car shows is pretty okay.
Really?
Yeah. Well, because the main reason is because they have like a Lamborghini dealership. The guy owns 2 Pagani's out there too. Like a Zonda and a Zonda R.
There's a lot of nice cars though, man. Is that an actual Cobra or is that a Mustang over there? Oh, Mustang looks like. There's some decent cars. How fast are the F-150s?
It looks like that probably over there, so.
Okay.
Yeah, I like those.
Jesus.
I picked them up on Thursday. What?
God damn. What a fucking Urus right there. Jesus. Jeez Louise, man. Lots of F-150s. Lots of F-150s. Jesus Christ, man. They got F-150s for fucking galore. And C7s. Oh, you're all right. So how fast is the M5?
I just got stage 1 OTS on it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, not even down packs yet. I think I'm getting them soon. But I got a bike instead, so.
Hey, those cars are fast as fuck stock. Damn, everybody's so fast down here.
What you guys done to your G80?
Just downpipe and tune.
No cap?
No cats.
I'm saying like no cap. Like,
Oh no, like that's all I got done. Yeah, I'm on the lowest map too.
93 right now?
E40. Actually, might be E30 because I didn't get enough ethanol last time we filled up. Because it's hard to get ethanol all the way here. Because we've been in car for 10 hours, man. There's a lot of good cars out here, man. So this one's single turbo. Is he on a drag radial? Yep. There's all kinds of what's into that one? Is that M340? It's all nice.
340?
M240. You guys got all the BMWs down here. Full drive will definitely help.
I had an M6 before this, and not having traction issues anymore.
It's a great thing.
You got something set up now?
We're gonna run the M5, maybe run different cars. Makes sense. A lot of nice cars. A lot of F80s. I'm gonna have a hell of a time getting traction.
Full frame turbo, 4 injection, and low pressure stock motor.
You gonna pop your hood?
Yeah.
So what was that you are again?
So it's full frame 6466 Gen 2 precision and
Wow.
low pressure and 4 injection.
Wow.
Yeah.
Fully 85, right?
Yep, fully 85.
Wow, man.
When I can be.
Wow.
That's gorgeous.
Jesus, man. I need a light. Jeez Louise. My God, man. Well, you made the drive worth it. I like the way your guys' stuff is set up.
Yeah, it's very similar. Like you guys did the second one, like that's definitely.
I'll pull more little ethanol in it tomorrow. We'll make it where we can like grab hands.
He's down 5 and he's unlocking here. Okay. Makes about 7 hours.
Ready? Go for it. 3, 2, 1. These little cars are deceiving, bro. Oh, he's got the VFCs. Are those 17s?
Yeah, 17.
He was down there.
Did you guys hit the tail with all the BMWs?
I did.
He did.
I had my daughter.
Fair enough.
We thought about it. We didn't get a chance. We didn't.
Dude, I heard about it, but like people were like, yo, pull up, and then I never got like an address.
Yeah. Yeah, isn't that weird?
I'm just gonna go solo. So I just hit it.
Well, I was trying to use my anti-lag on you. I couldn't get it figured out though. Yeah. I wasn't very happy with it at first, but now I kind of like it. Yeah, this lighting definitely does justice for all three of these cars.
Oh yeah.
Did you get good video on yours?
I have no idea.
Okay.
I'm trying to connect to.
Hopefully yours did better. Are you 17?
Yeah, that's 17.
Okay. That's my next step. I gotta get 18s in those.
Yeah, it's been nice. I get to run those for 22 PSI.
I'm at 25 PSI, I just downed them.
Yeah. This thing's a big car that also drives those nice small converter. So
Dude, it runs good, man.
hoping to put down a nice little 9 on Sunday.
Really?
Yeah.
That's about how much power you make?
When it was on 37 PSI, I want to say a little under 900.
Okay.
Stock block.
What are you making? What PSI are you making now?
Right now it's on like 31, 32.
Jesus. This thing is nice, bro. It's so dark. I need to bring my lights. Dark as fuck. Nice. Very nice. That car looks super fast. Yeah, carbon fender.